Hello friends, the topic for today is PIC18 MCU overview. Microchip has introduced 6 different lines of 8-bit MCU over the years. The PIC18 microcontroller family provides PICmicro devices in 18 to 80 pin packages that are both socket and software upward compatible with PIC16 family. The members of PIC18 family share the same instruction set and same peripheral function design. This makes it possible to upgrade to PIC18 based products without changing the MCU family. In today's video, we are going to see the PIC18 MCU overview. Let us start. Welcome to our channel Engineering and Technology for You. If you are not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. The topic for today is PIC18 MCU overview. Let us start with the introduction. Microchip has introduced 6 different lines of 8-bit MCU over the years. Among them, we have the PIC12 series, which is 8-pin, 12 or 14-pin instruction format. Then we have the PIC 14000 series, it is 28-pin 14-bit instruction format, and also it is same as the PIC16XX series. Then we have the PIC16 C5X series, that is 12-bit instruction format, and then PIC16 CXX series with 14-bit instruction format, and then we have the PIC17 series with 16-bit instruction format, and finally the PIC18 with 16-bit instruction format. And each line of the PIC MCUs support different number of instructions with slightly different instruction formats and different design in their peripheral functions. That's why the product designed with a different family of PIC MCUs, they are not compatible. Then let us move on to the PIC18 family. The PIC18 microcontroller family provides PICmicro devices in 18 to 80 pin packages, and they are both socket and software compatible with the PIC16 family. So that is the advantage. Those who are already using PIC16 family, they can still use the PIC18 microcontroller. And the members of PIC18 family share the same instruction set and the same peripheral function design. So this makes it possible to upgrade to PIC18 based products without changing the MCU family. Actually, one of the design goals of PIC18 MCU is to eliminate the design flaws of other earlier MCU families and provide a better upgrade path to other families of MCU. The PIC18 family includes all the popular peripherals such as MSSP, then UART, CCP, flexible 8 and 16-bit timers, then PSP, ADC, watchdog timer, POR, and CAN 2.0. So let us see the different features of the PIC18 family. The first is the high performance RISC CPU. So the CPU of PIC18 family is the RISC CPU, that is reduced instruction set computer, having the Harvard architecture. So here the instruction set is of 77 instructions, and it has C language friendly architecture, and PIC source code compatible. Already we have discussed this. And linear program memory is up to 2 megabytes, and linear data memory is up to 4 kilobytes. up to 10 MIPS operations, and the clock frequency is from DC to 40 megahertz and 4 megahertz to 10 megahertz clock with PLL active. Then the 16-bit wide instructions are used with 8-bit wide data path, and priority levels for interrupts is provided, and there is a hardware multiplier which is 8 by 8 single cycle. It will perform the multiplication in single cycle. Then the peripheral features. So it has up to 4 external interrupt pins, then 3 16-bit timer counters, and 2 8-bit timer counters with 8-bit period register. So that will be used for the time base of the PWM generator. Then up to 5 capture compare PWM, that is CCP modules, and here the CCP pins can be configured as capture input with 16-bit resolution, then for compare again 16-bit resolution, and here 100 nanoseconds time will be, and PWM output, that is PWM resolution will be 1 to 10 bit. And actually the details of this you will learn in the particular CCP module. Then master synchronous serial port, MSSP. So this is used for say 2 modes, C-wire SPI, that is the serial peripheral interrupt. It will support all 4 SPI modes. Then I2C or I2C, this inter IC master and slave mode, and then up to 2 addressable UART modules. So they are possible, and then the parallel slave port module. So it can have the parallel slave port with this module. Then analog features are 10-bit analog to digital converter with fast sampling rate and up to 16 channel input multiplexer. So we can directly connect up to 16 channels with the help of the multiplexer. Then programmable low voltage detection module. So this will be to support the interrupt on low voltage detection. So whenever we want to use this feature, that is low voltage detection, will be useful. Then programmable brownout reset, that is BOR, and the comparators. So all these are the analog features. Again, this will be taken details when we actually go for that mode. Then special microcontroller feature, power on reset, that is POR, then power up timer, PWRT, and oscillator startup timer, OST. So these are some of the special features. Then watchdog timer with its own chip RC oscillator for reliable operation. Then programmable code protection, and lastly the in-circuits serial programming via 2P. So we can do the programming in circuit with the help of ICSP. Then the common features of the PIC18 family microcontrollers, they are given here. They will take a PIC18F 1220, 1320, 2220. So all these three, they are having the program memory as the flash, when the 2320 program memories. And this is the size of the memory, 4K, 8K, 4K. And the data memory, it is in bytes, 256 bytes. Here it is 512. Then E square prom or EEPROM, that is again in bytes. And IO ports, here number of lines, they are in 23. Then ADC, it is 7-bit here and 10-bit. Then the other support, MSSP, I2C and S. Then USART and other features given, PWM, CCP, and timer, it is 1. Then there is the package details, EIP, QFN, these are the package types, and the number of pins, 18, 18, 28. So in this way, the different members, they are having, some of the members, they are having the OTP, one time programmable memory, the flash, and the size here will be 16K. Then the members which are here, 452, 458, they are having up to 32 kilobytes of program memory, and the RAM is small compared in bytes. Then some of the members, they are ROM-less, so there is no memory on chip memory with that. So these are some of the members of the family PIC18F8720. So it is giving program memory of 120K flash memory. And here this is the RAM size, 3840, and 1024 bytes of EEPROM, that is 1K. And number of ports are 68. And here you can see it is 80 pin PQFP package. And these other things are also on the higher side. It has got 8-bit timers and 3 16-bit. Whereas these are having only 1, and these 16-bit timers are 3 everywhere. So in this way, these are some of the features of the PIC18 microcontroller. So with this, we come to the end of this video. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, or Instagram. Then if you like the video, press the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Engineering and Technology. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications about our future videos on this subject. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.